चिल नहीं करते, चिल्लाते हैं स्पीकर, हम कुछ बन जाते हैं, शर्म वरम इज ग्रोन नथिंग, हम जो करे स्टेप बन जाते हैं। बच्चा पार्टी चालू है, बच्चा पार्टी चालू है, बच्चा पार्टी चालू है, हैशटैग बच्चा पार्टी चालू है, बच्चा पार्टी चालू है, हैशटैग बच्चा पार्टी।
That was very nice, Rego. Welcome to the show. And that was really an awesome song titled Bacha Party that you have sang with B-Boy Ayush.
Yes,
and
sir.
the song, of
Thank
course,
you
has
so
crossed over 1 million views in first 4 days. You're really
Yes,
a rock star. So please tell me first when and how you decided to sing this song.
So, sir, so as you know, this Bacha Party is a solo album. It consists of 6 songs in which I'm the lead singer. So, music is by Shami Tandon ji, and Saregama has launched me, and I'm very happy and I'm very fortunate that Saregama has launched me. Thanks for the opportunity to Saregama for launching me, and music is by Shami Tandon, and choreographed by Remo D'Souza and directed by Rahul Shetty ji and all the assistant choreographers. The whole crew of Bacha Party team was fantabulous, and I had the best experience ever. So and then there's a story in which how Shami Tandonji picked me up from so uh, so my vocal coach Samantha Novella, so Shami Tandon asked her to give 100 of the best children in a group in which I was there. And then he liked me because he didn't know me. He didn't know that I was Bappi Lahiri's grandson, or I was Rema Lahiri's son, and he didn't know. And then he called my coach, and then he said, "Who is this? He's so good. He's so good at singing. His name is Swastik Bansal. I don't know him. Who is he?" And Samantha ma'am told, "You don't know him? He's the grandson of the great Bappi Lahiri." And then Samita, now I got to know why he sings so good, fantabulous, and such a great attitude and expressions. So that's how he picked me, and then we started the recording of Bacha Party song.
So your real name is Swastik Bansal.
Yes, sir. My real name is Swastik Govind Bansal.
What standard you are in? When this
So,
happened?
yes, sir. So I go to Jamnabai Nursery School, and so I'm in 7th grade. I'm 12 year old. I just turned 12 on 21st September. Yes, so
Happy
and I
birthday.
love school, and schools are the best. And so, but sir, I like music more because because I love music more than studies. Studies is there, like I balance it, like equal. I'm not good at maths, so I'm totally not good at maths. I'm good at history. History is my most favorite subject, sir, because you get a lot of information, knowledge about so many emperors and Mughals and all those things. And so I love school, but music I like more because when I'm going to be big, I want to be a great rock star like my grandpa.
Oh, nice. Now, how was it shooting the music video with Bapida? He was also the star kid.
सर मजा आ गया। दादू तो क्या एनर्जी देते, बाप रे, मजा आ जाते दादू सर. So when my grandpa came, sir, so he didn't know the steps. So he didn't know the steps. So I taught him little. So like this, he did like this. So we had a lot of fun, and then I enjoyed I enjoyed a lot of time with my grandfather. Spent a lot of time, and we took a lot of precaution with him because he's a senior citizen, and we have to take precaution because if we don't take precaution, it will be not good. So then all my grandfather had to wear gloves, and then he had to sanitize every 2 minutes because it would be not good, na sir. If all the children, all my dancers touching his hand, so he has to stand because he's a senior citizen. So yeah, so these are the precaution taken to grandpa, and I enjoyed a super duper time with my grandpa while shooting. So
I have many questions about your music, but before that, when you were not growing up ready, but did you dream of this happening to you? What's happening to you right now? Like,
yes, sir.
having this first song
Yes, sir.
releasing so early.
Yeah, yes, sir. I just wanted to work more and more and more hard. I wanted to learn more music. I wanted to create a difference. So at one time a dream came to me that you are going to be one time in my dream. So I'm not like it seriously came like 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 a shadowy figure or something came into my dream and said that you will be very big in your life. Like you will, like an age 12, when you be 12, you're gonna rock it, and people are gonna go mad over you. Like they are gonna go spontaneously mad, and then your song is gonna be released very hit. It's gonna be a super duper hit, and that's what happens. So that's why so that's why my mom always says that you work hard, you make a difference. If you don't work hard, you will not do anything. You'll just sit at home, you just watch TV, you'll play games on your PS4. But if you work hard, you can create a difference and you can make an impact on the world. And the most important thing is focus. Focus. If you focus on one thing, you can be able to do it. If you focus on multiple things, you'll not be able to do anything. Because if you focus on music, if you focus because I do so like 2 to 3 hours riyas every day,
Oh,
and
nice.
so my mom takes my music every day. So because I focus in it, if I focus and then I get to sing one of the biggest and the most popular songs in the world, including my grandfather, including all the English songs, sir.
So, not everybody is so lucky as you are. Like, you've been born in a family where music is everywhere. And of course, you said you are not playing PS4, although the PS5 has come. But how early how do you, tell me about your training? Like, what raga do you practice on?
So when I was 2 year old, so so my mom taught me the first sa note, and from 2 to 5 year old I used to do shlokas, Hanuman Chalisa, and from 5 year old and and basic classical of including my grandfather's songs. And so when I was 5 year old, I loved the English music. Like they were so good with Western classical with great beats, guitarists, and all those drums, bongos, congos, and all those things. And from that time, sir, I loved and I started doing Western music, sir. And then I'm learning from my mom. She's the best coach in the world. She's like she's a god for me for music. And then my second coach is Evie Burnett, who's a coach for Sam Smith, Katy Perry, and Susan Boyle, and she's a very good person. And then the second one is Samantha Novella, which I told you first, Sonisa, from which Sami Tandon ji called, sir. And so and she's the head of Scatterloo Academy of Music LLP, which is London, RSL Rock School London, and I'm learning from there. Yes, so in my
So,
music, sir. I do exercises of music, like warming exercises, trills, lip trills, and then was staccato, legato, then. Then so I listen to Western classical music, like rapping and R&B and EDM, hip hop, pop, sir, and that's about it, sir.
then please give us a song which you are right now practicing on.
Sir, I'm practicing on right now. Practicing on Old Town Road by Lil Nas X. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back, who's stuck at a stash. Hat is mighty black, got the boots is black to match. Riding on a horse, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you my been out of the porch. Now, can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can nobody tell me nothing? You can't tell me nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Awesome, very nice. Um, Rego, do you know who has been the source of your inspiration to pursue this career
So
in music?
yes, so my inspiration is my mom. Because my mom won the platinum jubilee in
Wow.
1987, and she had the album Little Star. And her most popular hits are like Chanda Chanda Mama, Garmiyon ki Chuttiyon mein Ghumne ko Jayenge. And second inspiration is my dadu, of course, because he wears all those golden blings, and he and all this, and golden his attitude. And so I wear like somewhat like gold because I love my grandpa. And so I like his simpleness. I like his versatility, sir, and he's very humble. He's the most humble person I've ever met. And so I even wanted to say that my most favorite inspiration is Michael Jackson, the king of pop,
Wow.
because I follow his steps, and so he dances so well. His songs, his attitude, his expression, Bruno Mars, Justin Bieber, so Marshmello, and all those greatest singers, Coldplay, James Brown, and then Elvis Presley, and then so Prince, and all the greatest singers of all time. I grasp all of their attitudes. I watch their concerts, grasp their attitude, their expressions, the flow of their music, and so their velocity of how much they do. Yes, sir. So this is how I grasp things, sir. Of because
So, which is your favorite Michael Jackson song?
so my favorite Michael Jackson song is One Day in Your Life.
When the song was released, whose feedback were you looking the most when the song dropped a few days ago on YouTube?
So, so it was Dadu's, because Dadu was very happy. He was so happy. He was so proud that the fourth generation song has been released. He was so proud. He was extremely happy, and then I cannot express my words. Like, he was so happy, I could not tell you, sir. He used to always tell me, when the song was not, he used to tell me that, see, one day you are going to create a lot of difference at such a young age, and that happened, sir. And I'm very happy that my grandfather loved my song. Even he was in the song, he was like a guest appearance. And sir, I wanted to say my grandpa is the best. He will rock it, and he always rocks. So, sir, that's it.
Then what changed post the release of the song? Are you getting all the attention from your friends, from your
Oh my God, sir, my friends are going crazy. Like they're so super crazy. They're all congratulating me with their heartiest wishes, sir. And so today was Navratri, na? So happy Navratri to you, sir. Happy Navami, sir. And then today my mom broke a fast, because all the 9 children came, na, sir. And then so we made a reel also on Bacha Party, and even they congratulated me, sir. So wherever I went in Jew Gully or Jew Church to buy something, everyone used to, are you Bacha Bhatti Rego bhi? Bacha Bhatti ho kya? Rego bhi kya ho kya? They were, yeah, I am. They were so happy, and we made reels together, and we made in the slums with all the kids inside, and they were, and my friends also, sir. My best friend told me, मुझे भूल तो नहीं जाएगा जब तू बड़ा हो जाएगा. मैं बोला नहीं यार, तू मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. Why will I forget you, bro? And my
nice.
teachers, my principal, my trustees, they were very happy with me. They were that do more hard work, and then you see you'll be the number one singer in the world.
Wow, very nice. Rego, you just said you following your dadu's footstep and even his style. Did you ask him why he wears so much gold?
I asked him one time, sir, because he told me that gold is his god. He worships gold a lot. And so he finds gold lucky, because when he was small, sir, so Elvis Presley used to always he was the king of bling with his attitude. He was the king of rock and roll fame, and so he used to wear all these golden chains, specs, and from that day my grandfather wanted to wear golden chains, and my grandfather didn't buy golden chains. When my grandfather's first film got hit, called Dadu,
Yeah.
in 19 in
76, 78.
yeah, in 1976, 1976, I think. Yeah, so then my grandfather's mama, Bansuri Ali, gave
They
him
were
his
a
first chain. Gave him his
pendant?
first,
Yeah. Chain. Sorry, yeah.
yeah, so gave him his first golden chain, and he still wears that golden chain.
Yeah.
So that's why I find his gold lucky. That's why he always wear gold and become, and he's very spiritual, sir, and he's very God fearing. So he worships God a lot, like, and he worships his mother, father, like I don't know, I cannot express my words. Like he worships, and he loved them, loved them so much. So
Wow.
yeah.
So then, Rego, please give us few lines from any song of Babida which you like.
Yes. I am a disco dancer, ta 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 ta. Zindagi mera गाना, टुरुरुरुरुरु. मैं इसी का दीवाना, टुरुरुरुरु. तो झूमो और नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो गाओ. I am a disco dancer. याद आ रहा है तेरा प्यार ओ यार आ रहा है तेरा प्यार कहा हम कहा तुम हुए तुम कहा गुम अभी जाए के बाद ओ यार आ रहा है तेरा प्यार.
You're just 12 years old. Are your parents worrying about your studies?
No. So especially my mom because so much shooting is going on, and sir and sir and sir I love studying, sir. Like and she always tells me to study every day, even though I'm tired, and because she wants me to get good marks in studies. Also, 2 years back, I had not got good marks, but from that day because my mom started little to worry about my studies, sir, and sir, but I find music more interesting because in my school there is Western music. Now, so focus all my heart out on music period because it is my passion, sir, and also studying. I like history periods, and history are my most favorite subject. But all the other subjects are also my favorite, sir. But I keep them in equal way, like balance. Yes, sir.
Do you want to be a singer or a composer?
So when I'm going to be big, when I'm going to be like 20 or 21, so I want to be a Western classical super blockbuster, a singer and actor. So I have a lot of acting skills because in Bacha Party, the telephone scene was there. Like, अरे क्या यार मामा, खाना बार रखवा दो ना, and Babi Bacha Party चालू है. You want to hear it? So and sir, I'm complete in one package box. My mom calls me that only. Like I can act, I can sing, I can do anything, sir. Because I'm a stage person, I'm a stage entertainer, I can entertain. So it's only my first album, sir. With the both album करने होंगे, sir. We have to work more and more and more and hard, and sir, I have to create a huge difference, and have to make an impact on the world, sir.
After finishing your studies, right?
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir. Of course.
So, if we talk, say, 10 years from now, which of your answers from this conversation will remain unchanged?
I said that I have a long way to go, and if you ask me the same question in 10 years after that, I have made everything now. I have made 15 to 20 albums. I've got cars, and I've made my own life. So as and so then you asked me that how do I define life? And that time I will be more happy. I will change the answer. Say I'll be the happiest person on earth. I'll be the happiest singer. So I am Rego B, and I'm Regubi for a living, sir. And sir, and so Regobi will be number one that time, sir. Regobi will be number one, and so Regobi will always and will be a brand, sir.
Lovely talking to you, Rego. And in the end, would you please give me a medley of any of your favorite songs?
So the first song is Better Now by Post Malone. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I say that I'm better now, better now. I only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Oh, oh. बम्बई से आया मेरा दोस्त दोस्त को सलाम करो रात को खाओ पियो दिन को आराम करो चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना